Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to GRENKE AG's new business update of the fourth quarter and the full year 2022. My name is Melina Husemann. I'm part of the investor relations team of GRENKE AG. Today, I'm taking the opportunity to ask our Interim CEO and CFO Dr. Sebastian Hirsch a few questions. Welcome, Dr. Hirsch.
Thank you. And first of all, also a warm welcome from my side and Happy New Year and all the best for 2023.
Dr. Hirsch, the past financial year was challenging for the economy as a whole. At the same time, GRENKE achieved significant growth in all regions. What is the reason for this accomplishment?
Yes, it was challenging and we had ambitious goals and targets, and we achieved our targets in the upper end of our guidance. And that was a very successful year because of our high diversification. So we are located in more than 30 countries and achieve growth in each region in each country. And our diversification in objects, object categories we entered over the last year, medical equipment, for example, but also the e-bike business, very important for our successful year. And we entered that year some newer one, ESG object categories like wall boxes, charging stations, and also photovoltaic systems. And all that, the good empowerment of our sales force, the good diversification across countries and regions, and the object diversification are very good and the base for our success. And of course, leasing is one of the best solutions for today at that time to finance small medium enterprise business.
Let's take a look at profitability. In the light of inflation and a volatile interest rate environment, what's your view on our contribution margin?
To sum it up, the contribution margin development over the last year was and is good. Of course, the margin is below our normal target level, but looking and taking into account the dynamic interest development, it is as expected, because the dynamic of interest rates was very high over the last year. With beginning of the last year, we started for the prime rate of ECB with 0.5% per year. Today, we're talking about 2.5%. It's a gap of 300 basis points per year. We are talking about a 4 years portfolio in our new business, and that means at the end of the day, looking to the today's margin, we shown that we can passing through higher interest rates into our leasing conditions. That was in the past the case and is also today. But we have to deal with a time lag. As long as interest rates are rising, we will see a bit lower contribution margins in our CM1 and CM2 level. But again, as expected. So our contribution margin level is very good and gives us a solid profitability base for our diverse portfolio.
Thank you very much for your comments, Dr. Hirsch. Ladies and gentlemen, this concludes the new business update of GRENKE AG for the fourth quarter and the full year 2022. Thank you for your interest. We look forward to you tuning in again next time, and until then, we wish you all the best.